22 and 13 years old. My birthday is on April the 13th. I am from Cambodia. I live in the Cam province. There are 7 people in my family. There are my parents, 3 brothers, 1 sister, and me. I am a student at Laram High School. My father is a farmer. My mother is a farmer too. My favorite subject is in English. My favorite drink green tea and Ovaltine. My favorite sport is football. I want to become a doctor. My hobby is watch TV. My favorite day of a week is Monday. I like Tom and Jerry movie.